good morning, gentlemen. I think not all are here.
Junel not here,
So
Junel.
good morning once again, gentlemen. Good
Morning. Morning, sir.
Good morning. We are your trainers for today. I am OIC Navigational Watch Junel Padudot.
Yes, I'm Chief Officer Ivan Cesareo.
JJ.
Nalagay.
You can also call me Coco. Okay. So, we will discuss these actions when called to survival craft and
Aboard the survival craft.
okay. So, first, what is the sound of general alarm? Anybody?
Sound of general alarm.
7 short.
No, continuous.
Continuous?
Continuous.
One long with PA.
7 short, 1 long with PA. Did you agree?
Yes,
No.
sir.
Okay.
Depends on good.
I think everybody get it. So, for the benefit of everyone, so let's all together say this 7 short and 1 long.
Yes.
Okay? Just follow me, ah. First, okay. Toot.
Toot.
Okay.
Toot. 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 Excuse me. Did you call me? Doot. Doot. Doot.
Ay, yeah.
Present, sir.
This is like calling them. Oh, maybe how about if you are in...
Yes. Also, we have international signal. We have also a local signal. When you are, let's say for example, in the Samal Island, when you pass the Samal Island, I don't know if you don't know it, but let me kumbaga sabihin ko kung ano yung busina pagdadaan ka ng Samal. So, any idea?
No. Ng Davao.
No. Dudung.
Dudung.
Pag dumaan ng Bohol.
Sano.
Sano. Pag dumaan ng Iloilo. Toto.
Meg.
So that is
Kanding.
so by the way, sir, please proceed.
Oh, I think everybody got their attention and now we are
Energized, yeah.
Yes. So, our learning objectives are at the end of the training sessions, the trainees must be able to first demonstrate proper response when called to survival craft.
Then execute the proper entering and body position during the launching of the FREEFALL lifeboat.
Okay.
Now, when you hear the alarm or the general alarm, what is your first action or what will you do if you hear the alarm?
Stop your work.
Okay, correct?
Listen to the PA after.
Yes, exactly.
Open my eyes because I'm sleeping.
Yes, exactly.
Yes, exactly.
Yes, correct. Also,
Correct, right.
how about the others?
Take my life jacket and the
Absolutely correct, sir. That's good. By the way, the first thing you will do if you hear the alarm, just listen the public address of the captain. If it is abandoned ship or oil spill. So now our discussion is about abandoned ships. So now if we were going to abandon the ship, first thing first, you will bring your life jacket and of course your immersion suit if you're in a cold place or in a cold area. Bring your life jacket and bring extra things which is stated in our master list when you are assigned provisions or extra tools, your money. Don't you bring your
Medicine.
money?
Yes, somebody assigned
Yes,
to bring
money and the crew documents from the ship, and also proceed to the nearest exit from the master station. Do not go very far. Do not go because that is emergency. We need an immediate action, and then yes, wait for the masters to announce that we were going to abandon the ship. So meaning to say, you will go to lifeboat master station. So this is it.
Okay.
So now, the familiarity and the instruction is very important. Because I have one story, I have my neighbor, yung wife gusto niyang mag-abroad, tapos walang-wala sila. So ngayon, sabi ng asawa niya, na yung cellphone natin, bibenta para maka-abroad ka, may pamasahe ka. So ngayon, binenta yung cellphone na 2,000 pesos. Ngayon, pumunta na yung asawa, yung babae sa Maynila, pumunta. Pagpunta doon sa Maynila, tapos, tumawag na siya. Honey, nandito na ako sa Manila, nakabili na ako ng ticket. Mag-abroad na daw siya. So ngayon, tuwang-tuwa yung asawa. Sabi ng asawa, oh, maganda yan. Maasenso na tayo, ganyan yung ng buhay natin. Tapos, tinanong, magkano ba yung ticket mo? Sabi ng asawa, 2 pesos lang yung ticket niya. Sabi naman, oh, may pera ka pang extra dyan. Kasi 2 pesos, 2,000, meron ka pang 1,998 dyan. Malaking tulong yan sa'yo. Tapos ulit, sige, ingat ka dyan. Sabi ng asawa, gano'n. Tumawag ulit yung asawa. Sabi ng asawa na, parang hindi umaalis yung sinasakyan ng eroplano. Parang umikot-ikot lang kami. So ngayon, sabi ng asawa, bakit baka naloko ka dyan? Sabi ko, mag-ingat ka kasi dami manluloko sa Manila. So ngayon, sa inyong palagay, ano yung sinakyan ng asawa? Yung sinakyan ng asawa, yung tubibo na aeroplano, yung Ferris wheel, kaya pala 2 pesos lang yung pamasahe. So, that is the importance of familiarity and you are listen to the instruction. Familiar ka sa mga bagay-bagay. Dapat, ang sasakyan natin is lifeboat, pumunta ka doon sa life raft, pumunta ka doon sa rescue boat. So, very important. Very important.
Yes.
So, okay. May 1,998 siya. So, okay, sir.
Yes. So now I think everybody knows what to do in this general alarm. So just imagine we have this master station. We provided this master station, and we will just give you a briefing of what we're going to do when you hear the alarm. First, of course, followed by public address. You will go to your respective master station just in case. We have a numbers from 1 to 12. We are 12 participants, and then after hearing it, you need to master yourself in front of, just to know if everyone's are present. Yeah, that's correct. Everyone's present. Otherwise, if someone missing, it needs to
Mastering.
Yeah.
Master.
Yeah, it's a mastering. And then, when everyone is mastered to the master station, and we need to wait for the order from the master to the
aboard the lifeboat.
lifeboat.
So now, we will do first, and then you will be participating later on.
Yes. So
please,
yeah.
bring the alarm.
Okay. Here.
Attention all crew. This is abandoned ship. Please proceed to your master station. This is abandoned ship.
Party na yan.
Now, I am the crew. I will run the nearest exit, and I go to my master station. This is my master station, number 4. This is my name according to the master list, and then I'm going to count off.
Yes, just in case. Okay, count off. 1, 2, 3.
4 is the last number, sir.
Yes, 4 is the last number. Then we will wait for the instruction from the master. Okay. So everyone's okay. Go to the aboard the lifeboat and then prepare for abandon ship. Okay. First
So-
entry, number 1, going there, and when you turn.
Yes. And then when you go inside the the lifeboat, make sure that your life jacket will remove because it will hinder you because the lifeboat is very small, so it will need you to remove your life jacket. So now I remove my life jacket. This is my number 4. I will sit down. And the proper sitting position is like this. So you have your life jacket, you will embrace your life jacket. But first thing first, you must wear your shoulder strap. Shoulder strap, and then the seat belt or the waist strap, and then some of the design of the lifeboat have also head strap. Just in case the lifeboat design don't head strap, make yourself relax. Not put your head like this because in the instant that the free fall will go down. So if you are not put your head on the position like this, it will be cause injury. It will, so proper position, sit down, relax, sit back,
And
like
enjoy.
this, and then hold your life jacket if you have your life jacket, and then relax. And then now wait for the command of the coxswain to release the lifeboat and get ready yourself for the release. And that's all. So may I invite you to join us here. But before that, this is your master list. This is your number. Where?
Please familiarize yourself with your number.
Number 7.
Sir, can I ask a question? If we go to the FREEFALL lifeboat, are we gonna wear our helmets?
No, sir. You need to remove life jacket and helmet. So you have all the copies?
Yes. Yeah.
Please raise your hand for those who don't have. Okay, if anybody have, then you can bring your chair here so that we can set up like the lifeboat.
Yes, there's a number.
But anyhow, there is a number.
Number 5. This one. Number 5. Number 1, 3, 5. This is number 10.
Front sa boat. Forward. Rowa.
Number 1. Please. Hi, sir.
Yes, there's a number. But anyhow,
1, 3. And then
so
4.
So the first person who will go inside the lifeboat is the number 1.
5, 7. 9. 9.
11. Yes.
Going to the lifeboat.
We're going to pick our normal daily basis work.
So, balik.
So this is the forward part of the lifeboat. This is the forward part of the lifeboat. The entrance is here. The entrance is here.
This one is this.
That is the forward of the boat?
Yes, this is the forward of the boat. The forward is going like this. And
FREEFALL.
FREEFALL. Yes, FREEFAll.
Ah, okay.
Now, so let's put ourselves that no, we are working, we're sleeping, like if the scenario that
It's a normal.
normal. Yes, and then you hear the alarm.
Okay, let's hear the alarm.
So, your attention, please.
Okay.
Attention all crew, this is the master speaking. We're going to abandon the ship. We're going to abandon the ship. Please proceed to your master station. Please proceed immediately to your master station. This is abandoned ship. Ito, sir.
Ah, sir. This is the master station. Okay. Go. Okay, let's stand up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7,
8, 9,
10,
11.
I mean, take the depression. Is number 7.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12 last number, sir.
Okay, repeat. Just one more. Top up.
1, 2, 3, 5,
7,
8,
9, 10, 12.
Okay, Captain. So, chief officers, 12 persons are accounted for, waiting for the instructions.
So if the crew are complete, we will going out to abandon the ship. Please embark the lifeboat immediately according to your sitting arrangement.
Okay, first entry, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, 6, 7, okay. Make sure that your seatbelt fastened. Okay, life jacket. Raise your life jacket.
Your head. Be like this. Yeah.
Okay, relax. Okay, so we are ready. Everyone's ready. Okay, release man. Release.
Captain, sir, ready to release. Engines ready. Are you ready? Yes.
Yes.
Release in 3, 2, 1.
So, when you are inside the lifeboat, again recounting. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the last number. If you count from the master station is 12, make sure that also maybe someone will fall down or injury. So make sure that together all 12 also. Master station, so this is the scenario. Because later on you will be going to execute without our participation. So you will be going to assign with the captain, with the captain. But anyhow, we will
Anyhow, the last one, number 12. So Arif will be the captain.
yes, go.
He will the one who will release.
So now, daily basis, you're working, and then upon hearing the alarm, so we will be going to ring the alarm. Yes, go ahead.
Is there anyone need to unlash the lashing portion of the lifeboat?
We just simulate that everything is now there. We're just simulating that the hustling and then boarding the.
Yes. But anyhow, free fall is no lashing. This is release.
Release. Only one lashing, but it's
No, but it's
the norm.
but according to the rules that is will be going to use in the maintenance only. But in the middle of the ocean, no need lashing because that is the hook is the lashing. That is automatic. That is the locking. Okay, that is clear. So
Yes,
yes, my partner, my
Yes,
handsome partner.
so I think everybody know what they're going to do. So then for the final assessment, you can go back and then we will sound the alarm. Okay. It's a normal routine. Normal routine. Normal routine.
Ay, kapila bro. Party siguro, siguro party.
Attention all crew. This is the master speaking. Master speaking. We're going to abandon the ship. We're going to abandon the ship. Please proceed to your master station. Please proceed to your master station.
Master, this is Chief Officer. We are here at the Master Station. We will conduct now Master Ring. Alright, go ahead, Chief. Roger, sir, copy. Let's do the Master Ring. Count off.
1, 2, 3, 4.
7, 8, 9, 10.
That is the last number, sir.
Master, sir, this is Chief Officer. 11 man in the Master Station, including me. waiting for further instructions, sir.
Alright, Chief, go ahead. You can now board the lifeboat if all is clear and ready to board.
Roger, sir. Copy that. So, guys, Captain already ordered for us to embark the lifeboat. Let's start from number 1. Go to your master, your seating arrangement. Guys, please wear your seatbelt. Proper seating position. Captain, sir, we're now on our seatbelts and ready for release.
Alright, Chief, if we are all ready, you can now release.
Roger, sir. Releasing in 3, 2, 1. Brace for impact.
Yes, you can bring up
Ay, bring your own wow.
Matakdan man tanan, sir.
So, yeah, I think everybody did their best. So,
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, naayun sa susunod, sir.
okay, ready? May your attention, please. So, we'll do the debriefing. So, for everyone, what do you think went well, and do you need any improvement? Any improvements?
What do you observe?
What do you observe? Or
Sir,
Yes, go ahead.
during embarking the ship and during the assessment, we did not count off.
Yes.
We forgot
Yes,
that part.
correct.
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 So, when you are inside the lifeboat, you will recount it again.
And in the lifeboat, not the ship.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, as what Dot mentioned earlier, that when you already boarded the people lifeboat, you need to do the legal mastering, just to check everyone's inside. So that's the one missing here. Then, anything? Anyone? Any addition?
For the good part, sir, I think we recognize the urgency to go immediately to the master station, and we were able to simulate also our roles for me, for the ship officer, and also for the master, and we were able to execute properly the boarding of the lifeboat.
Yeah, I do agree with that. So, thank you. So, any more? Any more addition? Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah, it is very fast, sir. We
Fast.
responded very fast
Yes.
Yes.
because it's too far from lifeboat, but already we mastered very fast.
That's what we need. That's what we need. The immediate action, because that is emergency.
Yeah.
We do not need to walk
Yes,
like
yes.
a turtle. That is.
That's why it's very
emergency.
positive.
The responsiveness is very important.
Yes.
So, what would I can say for our drill is it is very what you call this like actual
Realistic.
Yeah, realistic, very realistic, because we act like emergency happened, and then only I can say it that somebody is not treating the scenario only just joking, but what if it will be happen on us in actual ship? That is not a joke. So drill is important, because that drill is a practice. The way that we act. So if that is actual scenario, we cannot act, we cannot smile, because that is emergency. So next time when we have a drill, be serious.
Yes, sir.
Be serious.
Sorry, sir.
And then, when you are inside the ship, when you are found off, 1, 2, 3, and make sure that you are familiar with your number according to the master list. Not see, that is because you cannot now, because when you are in the emergency, you cannot now, you don't know how to respond. So make sure that you are familiar with your number. And then, when you're inside the boat, that what Kirk said, that recap, and relax.
Yes, sir.
Relax. So, but all in all, performance is very good, very responsive, and yeah. So that's all for today. I am OIC Navigational Watch, Ian Kidotdot.
And I'm Chief Officer Giovanni Silverio.
Thank you and have a good appetite.
25 minutes.
Oh.